Alright students, today we will be dealing with the part fertilization. Okay, you see the process of fusion of egg with sperm is called fertilization. You underline this. The sperm comes into contact with egg. Okay, out of million of sperm, one sperm can enter the egg and fuse with it. Okay, you see here there are so many sperm coming, isn't it? Out of so many sperm, you see only this one is entering. You see here, right? Out of millions of sperm, okay, only one sperm enters the egg, okay, and fuse with it. This result in the formation of zygote, which eventually grows into a baby. Okay, after this sperm has entered, okay, one sperm has entered the egg, then what happens? The zygote is formed. Okay, then that zygote will multiply and develop into a baby. Okay, since the egg is from the mother and sperm from the father, the baby inherits characters of both the parents. Okay, in the egg, okay, there is a nucleus. Okay, and inside the nucleus there is what? There is DNA, right? We studied that thing. And inside the sperm, head of the sperm also, okay, there is, in the head of the sperm also, okay, there is nucleus. Okay, inside that also there is DNA. Okay, now the DNA of the father and the DNA of the mother, that is chromosomes, the chromosome, they will mate, isn't it? And the resultant baby will be having the characteristics of both the father as well as mother. Okay, now coming to the formation of zygote. Okay, zygote is formed by the fusion of male and female gametes. Okay, when the gamete meet, their nuclei fuse to form a single nucleus and two cells combine to become a single cell. I just now told you, when the nucleus of both the father and mother meet, okay, the two nucleus combine to form a single nucleus. Okay, and then that particular nucleus will result in the formation of baby. Okay, you see, single nucleus and two cell combine to become a single cell. Okay, two nucleus also combine and become a single nucleus. Two nucleus or two cell as a whole, cytoplasm, right? Two cell also combine and become a single cell. This cell is called fertilized egg. Okay, fertilized egg means the combination of both the father's nucleus, mother's nucleus, and mother gamete and the father gamete is known as fertilized egg or zygote. Okay, the zygote develop into an embryo. All right, now let's see about in vitro fertilization. Okay, sometime what happens is the actual fertilization does not takes place. Okay, in some parents, okay, it is not possible for the actual fertilization to take place. So in this case, what we do is we go for in vitro fertilization. Let's see what is it. It is a technique in which sperm and ova are combined in laboratory disk. After fertilization, the embryo is transferred into the woman's uterus. Babies conceived through these technique are known as test tube babies. The first test tube baby was born in 25th July 1978. Okay, sometime what happens due to the mother's age factor or due to some kind of disease, okay, or some problem, what happens is the real fertilization, okay, the natural fertilization does not happens. Okay, so what is done is we just take out the egg. Okay, we just take out the egg from the mother, and then what we do is we fuse it with the sperm. Okay, we take the sample of sperm from the father and egg from the mother. Okay, and then we fuse them in a laboratory. Okay, in a lab we fuse the sperm and egg. That is, the fertilization is done artificially outside. Okay, and after the egg is fertilized, okay, now this egg is again inserted to the mother's uterus. Okay, and that was first baby with this method was produced in 25th July 1978. Okay, this is also known as the babies produced by the method by in vitro fertilization is known as test tube babies. Okay, in vitro means in the lab. Okay, fertilization in the lab.